you're farther along than them in the process. But what was the most rewarding thing? I mean, you touched on some of the things that were rewarding for you and Ashley, but and Ashley, I'd love to hear your answer too. During the experience up till now, what has been the most rewarding, and what are the things you'd like to repeat if you ever did it again?
I really like just walking up to it and going to work on it and knowing that everything that I'm doing in there is the way I want it.
Yeah.
In my current house, I missed a couple of days when I was working, and the electricians came in and wired switches that don't make any sense. Like they're like, where's the switch that needs to turn this light on? That's on the other side of this wall. Like, that doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.
So having the ability to be in control of that and get it right, that's worth a lot. Especially when you know you're going to be living in the house eventually.
Absolutely. Ownership.
Yeah.
Real ownership. Ashley, is there anything you'd add? What was rewarding for you?